Hello, welcome to CreativeConstructs. This is the instructor's block, a 12-unit teacher's residence in Accra. So far, the ground and first floor structures are up and even the roof slab has been cast. Today, I'll walk you through what has been built and explain key decisions along the way. Without wasting much time, let us dive into the instructor's block. As you step inside the ground floor, you'll notice a clean grid layout. Structural columns spaced are just under 3 meters. That high spacing allows for spatial living and dining layouts, while fitting the entire block into a compact footprint. You are looking at a reinforced concrete frame system with vertical columns connected to horizontal beams that unify the structure before the slab was placed on. The tight reinforcement and shattered concrete formed vertical load, transferring weight from the slab to the foundation. Let's head upstairs. On site, you can still see the recessed formwork mat and props that were used during the casting. Above the columns, horizontal beams link the grids of the structure, forming a platform for the slab above. Here's the newly cast roof slab and beam grid. The beams form a load-bearing system that ties the block together structurally. We will follow a 7-day cure process before continuing with partition. Concrete curing is very essential, and it needs moisture maintenance to reach structural strength. At this stage, you need to be patient to allow the concrete to cure to prevent cracking. Block work hasn't started yet, and it's for a very good reason. We prioritize completing the superstructure, which is the columns, the beams, and the slab, first to ensure alignment and load integrity. Once fully cured, we'll begin the block. Thanks for working the site with me today. In the next video, we will look at internal partition, framing, and stair detailing. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment for more architectural in action content.